This is a Ninja Max, and I'm actually using it at the moment. So I thought I'd do a quick video on it. Absolutely fantastic. These things are. As you can see, it's the sort of tall version with the one tray. This version is, you've got the temperature here. Gives you the time in the middle. Time on the side to change the time on this film. With this one, we've got max, crisp air fryer, roast dehydrate, rehydrating bake, start, stopping, and power on, and then the cable, which doesn't retract unfortunately, but it still sort of packs away nicely. Inside of the cupboard, you can just put it out as it's and cooking. I can show you. I'm doing some fries in here. I do fully recommend these silicone covers that go in here, rather than the paper versions, because these silicone ones don't flap about, and are in danger of sort of covering up the food as you cooking it. So these silicone ones are really great, and I'll be doing a separate video on those, but that's how it works back in. Gives a little beat and it starts cooking straight away. But these things are great, really help. You can cook everything in them. We do fish, we do meat, we do chips, a hell of a lot fries if you're in the us. And we just cook up everything in here. Vegetables, even you can dehydrate fruit in there, obviously, if you want to. I love it. I bang it on max. I like everything really crispy. So really do fully recommend it, the Ninja. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.